everybody! Today I'm going to demo how to make a scarf. There's three main things we have to do first. We're going to draft the pattern with measurements and symbols. We're going to prepare the fabric and then pin the pattern to the fabric and cut. Once that's done, your scarf is complete because it is a no sewing project. At that point, you could add any detail or designs you wish. Let's begin. First, we're going to measure the fabric and then create the pattern. Today I'm using this pink fleece fabric, and I'm going to fold it so the on the fold is at the top. You can all select a fleece fabric from the cart and prepare it the same way. Everyone's fleece will be at a different length, which is why we're going to take the measurement. The first thing we want to do is find 8 inches on the width. And as you can see on this measuring device, which is a little bit different than what we're used to, we're going to find 8 inches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's where I'm going to put a pin. Now, we're going to take the entire length of the fabric. For this case, it's only 23 inches. But because we're cutting it on the fold, it will be doubled. Now that we know the measurement of our material, let's make our pattern. The first thing you want to do is get your tracing pattern paper and roll it out long enough to get the measurement that you need. We need 23 inches for this scarf. And we need 8 inches width. So once you find your measurement, use your pencil to make the dark lines so you have a cut area. You guys, of course, will be using a yardstick, not a flimsy tape measure. And then finish your last. Okay. Now we can cut our pattern. And as usual, you always want to cut right behind the cut line. Okay, now that you have your pattern, let's give it some information. We're making a scarf, and we're going to cut one on the fold. Our measurement was 23 inches long by 8 inches wide, and we need a place on fold symbol at the top. Now that our pattern is done, let's bring it over to our fabric. So using our symbol, place on fold, we're going to put that at the folded part of the fabric. And the rest of the pattern should cover the rest of the fabric. In this case, mine's a little bit short, but we're still going to use the entire length. Put a couple of pins in it and cut. Do not cut the fold. And if you're cutting at the edge of the other side, you don't even have to cut there, or you can just to straighten it out. Just straighten it out. Okay, you can unpin your pattern. And if you open it up at the fold, now you have your scarf. At this point, it's just a long rectangle, but it's ready to be worn. You can cut the edges to make fringes. Or you can leave it straight across. And that is how we're going to make our no-sew scarf.